Welcome to Growth Onward, the all-in-one business system that gives local businesses the tools to attract and keep their customers coming back without the busy work. Let's look at Bella's Grooming and how it's set up to take bookings. Everything starts in your dashboard, your daily snapshot of what matters most: today's bookings, recent activity, and how your revenue is tracking. To set things up, you open Settings. This is where your business details live: your shop name, your address, and the contact details your customers see on your site and in their confirmation emails. Next, let's look at your services. Everything you offer is right here, and as you can see, Bella's already has a few set up. Each one has a name, a price, and a duration. That duration matters. It reserves exactly the right amount of time on your calendar, so you're never double booked. Now, when can customers actually book you? That's all under Booking and Hours. You set your time zone, how many customers you can handle at once, the length of each slot, how far ahead people can book, and the minimum notice you need. You can even let bookings confirm themselves automatically. Then you set your weekly hours and block off holidays or one-off days with closures and special hours. Set it once and every booking respects it. And here's what your customers see: your website. It isn't just a booking link, it's a full storefront built to turn visitors into bookings. When they're ready, they click Request a Booking, pick a service and a time, and they're done in seconds. That's Bella's Grooming. Set up and ready for business. With Growth Onward, that's your whole front desk working online.